So this is the diaper bag backpack. I got it for the summertime when we go on outings with my kids. I do have a younger child as well as a teenager, and in the summer, you know, you always need drinks and change of clothes and extra shoes, etc. So the fact that this had a section for breast milk or formula to keep room temperature or cool, I thought it would do the same thing for, you know, any drink really. Plus I could carry everything that I needed on my back looking nice. So you have black, jet black, quilted like pattern, which gives it a nice pillowed thickness. You have a faux leather handle, which is very easy and comfortable to grab. It's nice. You have straps that click and adjust for the stroller. This is where you would attach to the handlebar of the stroller. You have nice, thick, padded straps for your shoulders. Silver tone hardware. You have a double zipper pull, which is really nice. This is really nice. For a half pocket in the back with mesh padding. Really, really nice, really thick. You can feel the padding. Now it's only for the bottom half, as this is sealed. There is no up here. You have double side gusset pockets for water bottles, anything, umbrellas, both sides. The straps, of course, are adjustable. You have two zipper pulls, identical on either end, to open the flap. You have a key fob so that you're not digging down for your keys to find them. You have a strap here that's Velcroed for your laptop, your tablets, anything that needs that extra reinforcement and padding, and it goes all the way down to the base of the bag. Then on the inside, as you see here, because it was flat, this will flatten so you have a wide mouth. You also have another set of gusset pockets here that are stretchy to put bottles, water bottles, diapers, rolled up towels, washcloths, etc. Even like shoes. Then on the opposite end on the wall, you have another pocket here, another pocket here that goes all the way down. The seam work is beautiful and thick, definitely reinforced nicely, and will hold the bag, because baby bags, you know, can hold a lot. They need to hold a lot, and it can get a little cumbersome or heavy sometimes. So you need to have that reinforcement, and this definitely does that. Then in the front, you have another zippered pocket, again with double pulls, one here, and this is what I ideally got it for, but you have the lining in here to keep something hot or cold. It is stretchy a bit, not by much. It would fit a water bottle, but not a water bottle that's 40 ounces or above. I know it's meant for baby bottles, so hence the small and lack of stretch, but I think you would be able to fit, you know, a good size. And then that closes up, and then you have a front pocket here, which is nice and deep for your phone, for, you know, anything, papers, books, activities for the kids, anything. It's a beautiful, beautiful bag. It holds a lot, and it doesn't look like a diaper bag. You know, I mean, I can't carry around a diaper bag because I don't have a baby. But I think it's a great bag to bring to an amusement park, to bring to the zoo, to bring to an outing, or, you know, walk along the boardwalk with the kids. And I have everything all in one bag. I don't have to bring a purse. I don't have to bring a tote. I have it all in here, including, you know, food or drinks or whatever the case may be. It's done very nicely. The color is jet black, which I love. You have here, oh wow, so this opens on the side. I'm not sure why it does that. Obviously it's for easy access of something, but either way, makes it convenient. But it's really, really pretty. And then the quilting design and thickness just makes it more durable, more aesthetically pleasing, and more, you know, higher class. You know, it looks very elegant. This would be beautiful hanging off of a stroller or, you know, just walking around with. I love it. I absolutely love it. And for the price, it's outstanding.
Estos son los que decía que se ponen aquí para colgar en la carrera. Y ya tenemos un buen rato usándola y las agarraditas están hechas en trozado. Los zippers están en buenas condiciones. No se ha destruido. Y se ha rasgado.